These are Narex Richter chisels. Now, even if you don't do dovetails or mortise and tenons, a quality set of chisels in a wood shop are essential. And these are some of the best ever made. And the reason I know that is because there's been too many tests done to prove it. Wood by Wright did a very extensive comparison video on his channel. He compared 30 something different brands and the Narex came out on top. Also, Fine Woodworking did a review on them and they were very impressed with them. And they had a professional furniture maker review them. And our friend Mike at TayTools.com, which sent me this set to check out for myself, has been using them for 3 years and he loves them. So they're backed by professionals for a reason. I know what trash chisels are because I bought this set for about $20, which you can buy at Walmart or Amazon. The problem is the steel on these are so soft that they will not hold an edge. You might can get them sharp, but the moment you start cutting with them, they lose the edge. And then like this one, you can see the metal is actually folded back and damaged on the end. They're just not good. They're actually a waste of 20 bucks. And the quality of steel in a chisel makes all the difference in the world. That's where the Narex Richters really shine and is what's impressing everyone. This metal is hard enough that you can sharpen it and it actually hold the edge for a very long time. It's also not so hard that you can't sharpen it easily. So it's a perfect balance there. And the reason they do that is because they're using high quality chrome magnesium steel through traditional drop forging methods. And then they actually cryogenically freeze the steel to negative 310 degrees Fahrenheit. And what that does is it changes the steel on a molecular level, which increases the strength, the toughness, and the wear resistance. One of my favorite things about these is the handle. It's made out of European ash. It's absolutely beautiful, that wood grain on there, and they fit in your hand perfectly. One thing to note on these chisels is when you get them in the shop, a lot of times if you buy new chisels, you'll have to flatten the back when you sharpen them. These are already flattened from the factory. They're actually calibrated to where you don't have to flatten them. All you really have to do is set that micro bevel once you get it there. And these chisels are backed by a lifetime warranty, free from defects. I've used the Sandvik, the Two Cherries, the Narex, and I'm telling you the Narex are top quality. These are not the $20 chisels that you're gonna toss away when they get old or used. This set will be given down to generations to come. So your great-grandkids could possibly use these one day. That's why, in my opinion, it's okay to spend a little bit more and invest in quality hand tools like these Narex. What I recommend is if you're giving this as a gift, get the box set. It just adds that next level of premium to it. It's a solid wood box, it's felt lined, it has brass hinges as well as that brass latch. It's just a super nice premium box. If you want to save a little bit of money, you can actually get this 5-piece set without the box. There's also a 7-piece set if you want the whole range of chisels. And then you can also buy them individually. Again, this is a limited time pre-Black Friday sale on some high quality hand tools for your shop or to give as a gift. If you want to know how to sharpen a chisel, super easy. Click that box, clicking the box gets you the big old virtual fist pump. Also, another one of my favorite videos right there.